Greetings, family, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dr. TM. I used to be an asylum applicant. After several years, my asylum application was approved. I am a United States citizen now. I am thrilled to welcome you to Asylum in America, a channel where your most pressing questions about the asylum process, green cards based on asylum, and citizenship based on asylum are answered. Family, I have spent over 12 years navigating the immigration system here in the United States. First, I spent several years battling my asylum case to be approved. Then, I spent several years more to get a green card based on approved asylum. And finally, I spent several years more fighting to obtain United States citizenship based on an approved asylum. I want you to know that I intimately understand the uncertainties and challenges you may face in your asylum journey here in the United States immigration system. The questions you have now are the same questions I used to have on my asylum journey. In each video, I draw from my extensive first-hand asylum immigration process experience to provide you with insights and guidance to help you. Family, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more exciting content. Before we begin, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. Today, I want to address the psychological implications of applying for asylum. People have asked me should they be ashamed for seeking asylum in America? This is a critical question, because asylum applicants sometimes do not know their rights. As a result, people feel ashamed to let the world know that they are applying for asylum, which can result in people being reluctant to seek help. I certainly felt the same way. Instead of seeking help, I decided to go through the affirmative action asylum process alone. I definitely know that if I had not been ashamed of applying for asylum, if I had sought help from a lawyer, I would have won asylum at the affirmative action stage, instead of being referred to court. The short answer is that you should not be ashamed of applying for asylum. Seeking asylum is a legal and human right, and there is no reason to feel ashamed for seeking safety and protection in another country. People seek asylum for various reasons, often fleeing persecution, violence, or threats to their well-being in their home countries. Asylum is a fundamental human right recognized by international law, and individuals have the right to seek protection when facing serious harm. The decision to seek asylum is a personal one, often driven by a genuine need for safety and security. It's important to approach the asylum process with dignity and recognize that many individuals have sought asylum throughout history for various reasons. Asylum seekers are individuals who are often fleeing difficult and dangerous situations, and seeking refuge is a courageous step. If you are considering or in the process of seeking asylum in the United States, it's recommended to connect with legal professionals and support organizations who can provide guidance, assistance, and resources. They can help you navigate the complex asylum process and ensure that your rights are protected. Remember, seeking asylum is not something to be ashamed of. It's a human right, and individuals in this situation deserve empathy, understanding, and support. Another question people ask me is about family and the asylum process. They asked me should I tell my family, relatives, and friends that I was seeking asylum in America. The decision to share information about seeking asylum with family, friends, and relatives is a personal one and depends on various factors, including your comfort level, the relationships you have, and the potential impact on your safety. Here are some considerations to help you make an informed decision. Safety concerns. Prioritize your safety. If disclosing information about seeking asylum could jeopardize your safety or the safety of your loved ones in your home country, it may be advisable to keep this information confidential. Legal and cultural considerations. Understand the legal and cultural context in both your home country and the country where you are seeking asylum. In some cases, discretion may be necessary to protect yourself and your family. Support system. Consider whether sharing this information with family and friends can provide emotional support during a challenging time. Having a support system can be valuable, especially if they are understanding and empathetic. Legal and immigration implications. Be mindful of the potential legal and immigration implications of sharing information about your asylum case. Discussing your case publicly could impact your legal proceedings, privacy, and confidentiality. Recognize that seeking asylum is a private matter, and you have the right to keep this information confidential. Share details only with individuals you trust and who have a legitimate need to know. Professional guidance. Consult with your immigration attorney before making decisions about sharing information. They can provide advice based on the specifics of your case and help you understand any potential implications. Cultural and social stigma. Be aware of potential cultural and social stigmas associated with seeking asylum. Unfortunately, there may be misunderstandings or biases, so consider the potential impact on your relationships. Ultimately, the decision to disclose information about seeking asylum is deeply personal. If you're uncertain, seeking guidance from a trusted immigration attorney, counselor, or support organization can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your individual circumstances and priorities. Thank you for watching this week's episode. I hope the insights shared in this video have enhanced your understanding of the asylum process. Do you have questions about the asylum process? Do you have questions about green cards based on approved asylum? Do you have questions about the citizenship application process based on approved asylum? Or have you recently received asylum and you have advice to share? I encourage you to email me or share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more answers to your questions about the asylum process. Thank you for watching, family.